Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Sohaib and you are watching Digital Sohaib. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna review one of the best keyword research and competitor analyzing tool which will help you to analyze your competitor, and as well as you can research more and more keywords for your articles to rank your website in Google first page, means in SEO top position, right? So about that tool I'm gonna review. The tool name is Rank Tracker. First of all, I will tell you what is Rank Tracker. By using Rank Tracker, you can research keywords, you can analyze competition, and as well as you can track your search engine ranking all with a single powerful platform. And Rank Tracker harness world-class data sources to help you get ahead in SEO, whether you're a small startup or a large agency. It will work for both of them, and this is best for small startups and large agencies and as well as enterprises. So about this tool we will talk in detail in this video, and I'll show you some practical examples in my Rank Tracker dashboard. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you can get clear information about this tool, how you can use it, and how this tool is helpful for you, and how you can change your perspective by using this tool. Okay, because for till that you are using many tools for your keyword research, for your competitor analysis, right? But in this video you will get this tool with the lifetime access. Yeah, it's true, I'm not joking. You will get this tool with the lifetime access, and as well as you will get 60 days money back guarantee also if you will buy this tool. Okay, and if you wanna buy this tool, so you can buy this tool directly Rank Tracker official website, where they are giving you this tool subscription on a monthly basis. Okay, $6 monthly, $21 monthly, $44 monthly, and on an average if you talk about, so $49 per month you have to pay for this tool. And they do not have a free version, but they are offering you a free trial so that you can understand their tool, you can get comfortable with their tool. Okay, but if you want lifetime deal, you can buy this tool from AppSumo digital marketing product marketplace, where you will get this tool at starting price $49 for a lifetime deal. They have 3 license tiers: license tier 1, license tier 2, license tier 3. If you wanna go with $49 one time payment, so just you have to pay one time and you can use this tool with for a lifetime. And if you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $99. If you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $199, and according to price you will get more and more features in this tool. So this is best marketplace which is offering you a lifetime deal, but it's for limited time, not forever. So now watch this video till the end so that you can get more information about this tool, and I hope you will be comfortable with this tool when I'll be ending my video. Let's talk about in detail. First of all, we will talk about their deployment and support. So their deployment in cloud, SaaS and web based, and support system is 24/7, live wrap and chats you will get. So by chatting and live wrapping you will get support from their side. If you wanna know their contact details, so Rank Tracker located in United Kingdom and founded in 2015. Their official website is www.ranktracker.com, so you can visit their website also. And guys, if you want related tools also, so I'll give you some name here: Pro Rank Tracker, SE Ranking, Agency Analytics, Posi Rank. So many more tools are available in an alternative mode. So now we will talk about their competitors: SEMrush, Ahrefs, right? I think many of you are using any one of them, and they are giving you their services on a monthly basis, means recurring basis. So you have to pay on a monthly basis, on an annually basis, right? But here this tool you will get for a lifetime deal. This is the best thing of this tool. So now we will go in a dashboard. We'll see some features about this tool. When you will buy this tool, so you have to go to my video description, and where you will find a link. So this that is my affiliate link. So whenever you will buy this product with my affiliate link, so I'll get some commission, which will not cost you more than your lifetime access price. If you will go with $49, so you have to pay $49 itself, not more than that. But it will help me to improve my channel performance. If you don't want to go with that, so as your wish. I'm not forcing to anyone, I'm just suggesting and I'm just telling about this product. First of all, just you have to create your account. Whenever you will create your account, so just you will enter in your rank tracker dashboard, where you will see your website audit, SEO PPC saving, notification, keyword finder, reports, many more things in overview you will see. So now we will go in each of them in detail. So first of all, we'll go with domains. I have mentioned my domain here, which is asdeepforex.com. So average position 101 plus, traffic 0, SERP features all tracked, position and many things you can see that. So if you wanna add your domain here, so you have to go to add new tracking, and here you have to put your domain and click on next, and after that you have to enter your competitor. So now you will be able to analyze your competitor. Okay, so now we'll go with here you can find your keyword. The keyword finder is also available, SERP checker is also available, SEO checklist is also available, all the reports you can see here self. And if you wanna audit your website, so you can audit your website also. How to rank, few brief introduction also they have provided to you, so you can check and you can understand more better than that, right? So keyword research, content, links on pages, your rank tracking, how long does it take to rank, expectation and realism in SEO, insane ranking, and many more things you can read here and you can understand that. So now first of all, I'll check my competitor domain. I'll click on domain. So okay, now I'm in overview dashboard. So go to competitor. Now I can see my competitor helloviru.com, and I was comparing with his website. So many details I can check and I can analyze pages, metrics, grossing, discover keywords, SEO, PPC saving and notifications, and few more of them. So just all things are available here which you need to analyze your competitor, researching your keywords, everything is available itself which you want. So I hope you understand better about this tool. So now if you want to buy this tool, so just you have to click, so just go to my video description and click on that link. After that you will redirect in this landing page, and where you will find all the details about rank tracker. You can read all the details as well. They have mentioned in depth about this product, all the information, and you can see all the plan and features also, deal terms, feature including all plans. Okay, they are giving you a 60 days money back guarantee, no matter the reason. If you are not satisfied with this product, so you can get back your refund in just 60 days. Okay, unlimited users, unlimited domains, daily position update frequency, unlimited schedule report, actionable SEO task, keyword difficulty, keyword discovery, PPC saving, many more things. So and all the difference you can read between them. Okay, and you can choose your license tier according to your budget. So you can grab this tool with lifetime access, and you can read all the reviews about rank tracker. All the reviews are mentioned here. So I hope this video is helped you to understand about this product, how you can use it. Guys, listen, actually I'm not comfortable in English, so that's why I'm not able to explain in front of you in a fluent accent. If you didn't understand anything, so please excuse me. And if you want to know more in depth, so I'll give you suggestions and answers in comment box in a written form if you will post your comment in my video. So thanks for watching this video, and don't get delay. Wanna buy, so just buy this product. Okay, I'll see you soon in another one. But till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.